Hello. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you some very rare plants. Some plants that most people want to have. And I'm going to show you some plants that really surprised me. So stay tuned, like the video, comment, and subscribe if you wish. Hello. And again, a package. I know. I don't want to say anything anymore, but I'm going to open it. And we're gonna look inside. I do have some in here that were supposed to be sent to me before, but it slipped out of the order. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the latest plants I got, and I got them. Well, there's no explanation why I got them, except for the love for plants I have and for desire of having these plants. And oh god, if I only had the possibility to have as many plants as I want. And you guessed it right, it's from Ecuagenera. And these are some amazing plants. Oh, I have a heating pot. I never saw that before, but now I do see it here. And let's start and see what we got in here. Okay, I see it's green. Oh, finally. Finally, I got the plant. This plant is a plant I wanted for a long time. And I was hoping to find it locally because I always think that local plants are easier because you see what's going on with them and you don't know for sure what's happening to the plants you're bringing. Sorry for the noise. I should open and then talk probably. But this is the most beautiful plant that many people are looking for, and it has a brand new leaf. And this is a magnificum. This is an anthurium magnificum seedling. The oldest leaf is probably not doing very well, and that's okay. We already established that when plants are going in transit, they might have a little bit of trouble actually getting to the destination, and because of a lack of light, water, and all their own environment, they tend to suffer a little bit. But I want to tell you one thing. If these are not healthy roots, I don't know what is. These are healthy roots. And this is the most beautiful magnificum. I'll make sure to make a video actually showing all the plants I have, because I already have a good amount of plants that I can combine in one video as a family plant, like plants from the same family. This is a plant I really want. Doesn't look good. Oh my god, the plant I really wanted doesn't look too good. Oh my god. And I really hope that it will keep up and will survive, because right now it just looks like a bunch of parsley. I don't know if you ever bought parsley to cook, and then, or maybe cilantro too, I don't know, I don't use cilantro, and then you put it in the fridge and you forget about it, and then you get this. This is amazing. Actually, doesn't look very good. It looks very tired. But this is none other than Monstera obliqua Peru. I'll tell you the reason I ordered it. I did order this plant because I have my other Monstera, which was sold to me as a skeleto, but I got a bunch of people saying that that's actually a not an esqueleto because esqueleto looks different, and that's just a obliqua. So I wanted to have an obliqua plant so I can compare as it grows and see what plant I actually bought. And these roots are long, a little bit dry, but it has healthy roots. So I think this one needs a good sip of water, but I'm very excited. I'm so excited about this plant. Like, oh, I cannot explain. And now look how long is this. So I'm wondering, oh my God, is that for real? Okay, let's see how big is it inside, because I didn't expect for this plant to be this big. And this is a very cheap plant. It was on sale. I don't remember. I think I paid $5 for this. I think this plant cost me $5, and I definitely didn't expect it to be so long. Wow, this is one long, super long plant. Oh, and all the leaves are, of course, left here. They've fallen. The leaves fallen. Oh, God. But it does have new shoots, and the plant looks very healthy. So I think it's going to do very well. Well, until I unpack it, I'll lose more of the leaves. But this is a begonia pink spot lucerne. And this is a new leaf. It looks very good. Another new leaf that looks very good. Here's new growth. And here, I don't know. And we have some new growth all over the place. Wow, this is a long begonia. I actually didn't expect this. I'll be honest. I didn't expect this. Yeah, it would be nicer if I had all the leaves, but for $5, I think it's totally fine with me, and I think it will survive and get revived. The leaf is absolutely beautiful, though. The leaves are beautiful. Wow, this is one beautiful plant. Wow, I really didn't expect begonias to be so tall. This is a tall plant. Wow. I am very, very, wow, surprised. My next one, oh, really? Okay. Oh, okay, let's see this one, because this one is big too. Let me check and I'll show you. And I hope on this one the leaves stay better. And I do know that these plants actually are very gentle. I don't know, maybe for some people they look tough, and some, I know my neighbor, she has them outside, and she's like, hers are growing and blooming, and mine, with all the love I'm giving them, probably I'm over loving them, I get some losses. And I know how gentle their leaves can be in my case. So I'm definitely sure this one is gentle too. It looks very gentle and it's hairy. So I noticed that all the hairy begonias are gentle. So this is not standing, but this is dang beautiful. This is just pure beauty. Like, I'm not joking. Oh my God. Look at this leaf. I don't know. I wanted to buy yesterday some lights, and my husband's like, why do you need lights? You have already so many things. And I'm gonna go buy the lights because I feel like my lights don't give justice to these plants. Like how I see them, you guys don't see them in the camera that way. Wow. Well, I really hope that this begonia is gonna revive itself. I just need to add water to them so they can, wow. Interesting fact about begonias that they don't have such huge like roots, for the size. I would expect more roots than just few hairs. So look here. This is totally adorable. So cute and colorful. So this is a begonia Rex Helen Lewis. this plant is expensive here, but their begonias were on sale. So I think for one I paid like $7, and for the other I paid like 5 or 5 something. So I'm like really excited. And my last but not least, so let me take a peek. Okay, so far no yellow leaves. Okay, I'm excited. This plant is rare. Like this plant is really rare, and I got my hands on it, and I'm excited. Oh, I feel yellow leaves. It's okay, only 2. And this plant is a total heart stealer for me. And where did I put the name? Oh, I left it here because why I need a name. So this plant is even more it's rarer. I don't know, like everyone is saying that obliqua Peru is rare, but this one is rare more than that, and it's worth a lot more. And this is Monstera obliqua Yasuni, and they have a couple more that I want to get, but they were all off the budget for now for me, and I'm like, can't wait to actually see them. So this is how a Monstera Yasuni looks like, and I wasn't in the market for it, but I was googling how to know that you got an actually monstera obliqua and not something fake. And I got this, I saw this plant, and then I checked this website and I saw they have it, and I really wanted to get it. And now that I have all these plants, I regret not getting the other obliqua that it's also rare. And guess what? I have a feeling in my bones that that's what's gonna come next to us. And I'm sorry, I know my husband is probably watching this video too, and he's probably overwhelmed. But I'm sorry, honey. You know, happy wife, lots of plants. Sorry. I really love my plants. They actually make me feel so good. The other thing that makes me feel good besides my family, besides my husband and my children and my relatives is actually my work. I work with very gentle people, people that can express their love unconditional and their hurt unconditional too. So you get the raw emotions from everything. And sometimes when I have a hard day at my job, I come home to my beautiful plants, and all I see is happy. I feel happy. I feel happy to spend time with my plants. So this is my obliqua yasuni. It does have also roots and new growth, and it's pretty stable. Looks very good. So let me put them in water, and then I'll show you a closer peek at them. So here is a closer look for the plant mail for today. So this is an anthurium magnificum, and this is a begonia pink spot lucerne. Very beautiful, huge leaves. This is a surprise, Begonia Rex Helen Lewis. This is a plant I didn't expect to get because it's so tall. I didn't expect it to be so tall. This is the Obliqua Peru, Monstera Obliqua Peru. And this is the Obliqua Yasuni. It's a plant that's more rare than the Obliqua Peru. So my obliqua Peru doesn't look very good right now, but I did place them in water, and I'm gonna let them quarantine for a little bit. And from everything I can tell you, that ordering anthuriums probably is the safest way to go. These plants are really tough. At least for me, all my anthurium came in very good shape. I like this monstera as well. It's pretty sturdy. My Peru, my poor Peru, it's not looking very good, but I really hope it's gonna survive. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you like, please subscribe. Please comment and like, really helps me. And you guys know that I started this channel just as a journal for my plants, and then it just turned out to be such a great success, such a great way to tell my story, the story of my plants. And I appreciate every one of you who actually helps me with my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.